Today we're going to play survival. One. Gabriel, give some food. Get some food.
Oh my god!
You get the all foods, really?
Give me
someone. Give me someone.
You just took my pork chop. Hold on. Hey, this is not my chest. This not my chest. This is my chest. This sister's chest. Hey, sister, you have to put all their coals into the. Brother, you have to put all the coals in the furnace.
Okay, put it. Don't all.
Put all of them each. I'm going to put all of them in each one of the furnace.
Where's the diamond? I don't know where it's it. I think I found it. It's night now. Come on.
We got 17 more coals again. Hey, you took in some stuff for my
Sleep
dad.
now.
Mama, sleep. Hey, don't take like this. Don't flip it like this. Take all the little bags. Yes.
Ay, dingi, manghihingi na naman kayo 50 pesos. Ayusin mo yung upuan. Kahit konti anak yung natutulong mo kay madam. Sleep now! Okay guys, we're back.
Hey guys, we should find the diamond last episode, so we're just going to get it all, and it's going to give us 5 diamonds at a time. Don't take my food, okay? Okay.
What is this? I don't know what is this.
All my food. Let's get what? Wait, don't take my. Wait, you get three raw pork chop. 3 raw beef. I get 2. No. I have more. No. I'm not going to give you my stuff. What? No. I'm not going to give you my stuff. If I have. No. I'm not going to give you.
I got some for iron in my chest. Cook it, Gabriel, cook it.
If I have leather boots, I won't give you. You don't have. Okay, you'll take 1.
Gabriel, get to my chest. Get to my chest some iron sword. There's some pork. Cook it.
I took 1. Then let me just eat 1 raw pork chop.
What is this? I don't know what is this, guys. You know what is this? No.
No. I just know it. There's
Oh my God!
diamond.
Oh my goodness!
That's the first season, and then we find some diamonds.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness!
No, don't check it out. Red's only the one who has to check it out.
Oh my God!
Amazing.
I didn't respect that.
Me?
Oh
my God. Can you give me 5 diamonds in my chest?
Wait, just wait. Oh my God! My heart is.
My heart, it's we found diamonds.
Yun na yung wallet ko. Tali mo ng buhok. Yun yung wallet ko. Abot mo muna. Gabriel, ay, Jared. Ayan o.
Okay guys, that's first and we found some diamonds.
Oy, lock niya yung gate.
Hindi sa kwalit.
I guess I'm one more.
Why do you have 7 and I have 5?
No, you had 6. It's fine. But I can do it. No, you had some.
I need to craft a pickaxe. I can craft a pickaxe right now.
Per sword. Come on, per sword.
1, 2, 3. I need another stick.
Oh my god.
What do I make? Let me make a sword and okay, pick it.
I can craft some sword and pickaxe. Oh, there you go.
Yeah! Yeah, pick it. I can also let's just go to craft a shovel too. Let me
I didn't respect that, guys.
No,
I think it's from God.
Let me just keep my extra diamond. I'm not going to keep it. I'm going to do
There's
it.
some spider killing you.
Ah!
Oh my god.
God. Don't eat him. He's going to die. You punk, you just respawned because you find one of those and then you just respawn on me and then hit it. Think what you do. Ow! You're hitting my foot.
Come on.
I'm going to hit you with my diamond sword. I'm hitting you with my diamond sword. It's not a diamond sword. It's not a diamond
Don't fight.
Kill me! I'm almost dead.
Get your stone sword. Don't get your diamond sword. If you die,
You
just
like my
don't.
headphones? He wants to keep his headphones.
Cotton buds,
I
saka yung
love
tali ng bata na yun, no? Lalo nawawala ng tali.
I want to get some iron. Hey, do you like my headphones? I need iron. Hey, look at my headphones. I need iron.
In your chest.
Look at my headphones. I got iron.
One.
What? I need a lot of iron. I only have one iron.
Give me, please, Jamila. Give.
I only have one iron.
No. It's fine. So what?
I need chest plate too. Who took my pork chop?
Give me, please. Give. I get. Come on, give to me.
The cooked pork chop is mine, okay? No, it's ours. No, look, it's ours.
Why all? Not you.
What?
Why 13? Arpo is 18.
That's good. Let me cook 5 of them.
Cook all. Cook all.
Mango to cook. You said to cook only 5.
No, you said that's all yours.
But you got all of mine. Yeah, we have a lot of things cooking.
Oh my god.
And this guy don't bother me because I'm listening to music, okay?
Oh my god. We found some diamonds. Wow.
Do you like my headphones? Do you like my headphones?
Nope.
Me, no. Because
Only joking.
me? Me?
Don't kill. I gotta kill
I'm going to
you.
kill him with my diamond sword. Punk. No, that's mine. No, this one is mine, okay?
No, it's not all you. It's ours.
Hold on. This one is mine, okay? Okay, fine. But this one is mine.
No, it's ours.
No, that's mine.
That is ours.
I know. I'm
What?
putting all of my.
All pork chop is you. All of you. No.
Hey, did you get my other pork chops? No, I didn't took them.
Sa'yo lahat yan, Jam. You said all of you. Oh my god.
Who took my other pork chop? I didn't. You took it. Wait, last time we saw a witch, guys.
Yeah.
But you didn't see it because the video was too long. I know, in forests there's lots of witch. Yeah, we saw a lot of witch. But next time, guys, if you want, leave a comment down below if you want to do my battle. Who took my different pork chops? I didn't. You took them. You took them, you punk.
I didn't took them.
Yes, you did.
I didn't.
Yes, you did. Yes, you
I
did.
didn't.
Yes, you did.
Okay, let me put this in my Tara na. Kuha ka ng 3 pork chop. 3.
There we go. And then I'm not going to bring some food on me. Don't bring your diamond one. I'm not gonna bring my diamond.
Go, let's go to cave. Get your diamond.
I'm just going to wait and I'm just going to bring my stone one and my not my diamond sword. I'm just going to bring my stone sword.
Hey, bring your diamond pickaxe.
No, I'm not going to bring it.
Yes.
Man, it will broke so fast. Them pickaxe don't broke so fast.
Yeah.
Hey, take three pork chops. 1, 3, 2, 3. There we go. No! I'm just going to wait.
If you get hungry, you're gonna die.
I'm just going to bring these.
Fine, you.
Let's see how many I got for you. I'm going to take.
I got a lot of torches.
I got 5 torches in my chest.
I got 64 and 4. Come on, follow me. Come on, follow me.
But you took mine.
Get your bed. Excuse me. Oh, you punk.
Ah! You almost killed me!
No, excuse me. Okay, excuse me. Get it?
I got mine.
Okay, just follow me and no, just found some cave.
Wait, I'm just going to take first let me get help.
Okay.
First, I'm just going to get something from here. Let me just kill some animals. Hello, animals.
Okay.
Hey, I got some cheese for you. It says you're gonna build a punching bag.
Okay, guys, I think that's the end of video. Hope you guys request that I want to subscribe and I will see you next time.
I'll allow you to build the punching